Hey everyone, welcome to part 5 of VBA XML series. This is probably going to be the final part of XML part unless you guys have any questions. But that's the intentions. So let's go ahead and start a new sub. I'm going to call this delete from XML file. Okay. So in this part we're going to delete a record from our XML file that we created in earlier previous tutorials. This is our XML file. We have 3 records: orange, apple, and pear. So in this tutorial we're going to see how to delete one of them. Alright, so the first few lines will be the same as the previous ones. So I'm going to, instead of saving some time, I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, some of this. So this part is going to be almost same, except I'm going to add another one here, another object type of variable, and call that root. So here, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set this root element to the products element, okay, and the product node. So I'm going to say set root dot select single node parens double quotes / products, and close my double quotes and parens. So this is going to select the root element for me, the products node. Okay, let's comment this, select the root element node actually. Okay, next I'm going to bring in this one, copy and paste this one. This is going to be same. Let's say we want to delete the last one, copy and paste. So we're setting the product to the product with the ID of 3. So we're filtering and selecting this product. Okay. Alright, next we're going to call our root node to delete the child node that we filtered here. Okay, so I'm going to say root dot remove child, and then pass in the product. Okay, so root remove child and the child that we want to remove. Okay, that should be it basically, and then we are going to obviously save the file. Save fbat. Okay, okay, see this one didn't capitalize because we typed incorrectly. Alright, so that's it. Let's see, let's run this and see what happens. So when you have multiple subs like I do in one module, the one with the cursor is the active one, so it's going to run that particular macro or sub when you have multiple subs in one module. Okay, something to remember, or for those who doesn't know. Alright, having said that, let's run this. No errors. Let's update our XML files, and there you have it. So we deleted the product with ID of 3, which was the pear. Okay, alright, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Alright, take it easy.